travelers. How are you all doing today? Ye blessings. Thank you so much for pressing the play button. Please feel free to stay and to also join the others. The mathematical wizards will restore your energy while you are here to learn. It is so great to have you. I am Johnny, your host, with HomeCountry Mathematics. I truly appreciate you. Let's learn some math, shall we? Ye wonderful learning individuals, it is a pleasure. Okay, let us continue moving forward. We are attempting to finish up with write mathematical expressions for verbal expressions, write verbal expressions for mathematical expressions. I know that was a lot, but it is okay. Ye shall explain. Check your understanding. Write an algebraic expression for each verbal expression. The sum of a number and 14. The sum of a number and 14. The variable you choose can be anything, anywhere between A and Z. That is up to you. You can make and choose whichever variable you like. Let us pick n. n plus 14. We are done. Now, wasn't that easy? Yes, it was. Let's do another. 24 less than 3 times a number. 24 less than 3 times a number. We'll use the letter n again. 3 times a number. 24 less. Do recall, let me show you subtraction. We are recapping briefly. Haha. 5 less x. Whoopsie doodles. Yes, it was funny. 5 less x is 5 less x. 5 less than x is x minus 5. See the difference? Try to remember that. You could do it. We all believe in you. Every single one of us learning along. Okay. Let us continue. F divided by 10. That's an easy one. F, they've given us the variable, divided by 10. Always write your mathematical problems in fraction form. I also highly recommend you solve your mathematical problems in fraction form. Never solve algebraic equations that are in a linear fashion. When the problem gets greater or larger, simple problems can arise. I recommend avoiding this. If there's a division symbol, think fractions. N over D. Numerator over denominator. That is my tip and tricks for you. Okay, let's continue on. 49 increased by twice a number. 49 increased by twice a number. Okay. Sounds easy enough. 49. Now recall, it's saying that 49 is increased by 2 times some number. I sure wish I had a tablet. 49 plus 2x. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. We will do some more in the next video. See you then.